everybody, and welcome to camp. I hope that you've had a wonderful time so far. I'm here joined by my assistant, Adeline, and today we're going to talk about two things. We're going to talk about what the pride flag means and what those colors represent, and then we're also going to talk about how to make rainbow milk, which is a science experiment. So first, what do the colors of the pride flag mean? So many of you probably see this during the summer. It's the rainbow flag that usually gets lifted around June in the United States and in Canada. And the colors stand for 6 things. Red represents life, orange represents healing, yellow represents sunlight, green stands for nature, blue stands for serenity, and purple stands for spirit. So what we're going to do today is we're going to translate that into one of my favorite science experiments, which is rainbow milk. And this shows how the fats in milk mix with dish soap and that you can make an amazing tie-dye experiment. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our milk, which is right here, and we're going to take our food coloring, which is right here, and we're going to mix that in. And like Adeline's doing, you shouldn't try to eat this because it's not good. It's good when you mix it with things. So we're gonna take this red and we're gonna drop it in. Drop it in the milk. Just a couple drops. And then we're gonna take this green right here, and we're gonna drop it in the milk. Just a couple drops. Yep. Let's put that cover back on before we hand it over to you. And then we're gonna take this blue and we're gonna drop it in the milk. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what I have in the milk. Now we have all of these, I hope you can see it. We have all these different colors. So what you're gonna do then is you're gonna take your Q-tip and you're gonna dip it in the dish soap. And then you're gonna go, I hope you can all see this. You're gonna put it in. Did you see that move around? And then you make all these shapes and colors. And you can do all these things with the dye. And you can have so much fun with this because, yeah, you can. Because what you can do is you can end up putting in different colors and you can beat it. See that? I don't know if you all can see this, but the milk's beating now on top when you pull it out. And you can just have so much fun with all the different colors. You can make shapes. You can put all these different places with it. So I urge you to try it and then also look up what the science is behind it because it's very cool. And do you agree, Adeline? I think she agrees with us. So I hope you all have a wonderful rest of camp and I look forward to hearing about your rainbow milk.